We're really impressed with the build quality. They were very competitively priced, and it's really user-friendly. It really makes us a lot more efficient. It has allowed us to be a lot more competitive.
What makes it special is price to performance. German design, German quality, produced in China to give them ultimate performance. It's from cradle to grave. We look after them right from the point of implementation of the right machine and right specification that they need, right through to supporting them to the end.
We were contacted by a new customer to do some parts for the rail industry. It took us 5 weeks to do 350 components. With this new Priminer with the trunnion, 500 components in 14 days. Hi, I'm James and I'm the General Manager of Wilbest Engineering. We were sort of formed in 1965 as a subcontract engineering shop. Various different parts. We do some parts in packaging, oil and gas, a little bit of automotive, and again looking to get into new markets with the purchase of our new Priminer machine. We doubled down and focused that we only had sort of basic machinery. We could turn milling machines. We were losing out on quite a few different jobs where they were more complex. So with getting the Priminer with 4+1 axis really opens up our efficiencies and us to be able to do lots of different components. We were put onto to Lee via our tooling supplier. So Lee came in, gave us a really good quote, really explained everything about them as a business, how they're trying to get into the UK market and be a bigger brand, have a bigger brand presence.
So we're MEC Machine Tools. We're based up in Middlesbrough, and we supply the Priminer Machine Tools. But not just supply it, we commission. We'll do the training, we do the site deployment of the machines, and we'll look after the customers every step of the way. Here at Wilbest, they were looking at, to upscale, to look at doing things differently. So they were looking at a machine with more performance.
We're very competitively priced, and then all the added extras, your through coolant spindle, 40 tool, carousel, Blum probing, were all included at sort of very little extra cost compared to other machine tool suppliers.
Oh, this is a very high-spec machine. We're looking at a 53 kilowatt spindle, 15,000 RPM, so it's up to 250 metres of torque.
Well, with the shop mill that's featured on it, we can do everything we need to at machine. We do have offline programming capacity, but everything is so easy to program at the machine using the trunnion as well. So we can do everything at the machine should we need to.
Wilbest are a prime example of a customer here doing exotic materials such as duplex, stainless steels, Inconel, that sort of thing. Very difficult materials normally in machine. So we'd look at high-end spindle. This being a 15,000 RPM with 53 kilowatts. I call it an absolute beast. It really does carve through that material, and it's a day-to-day machine, and it's a very reliable machine.
It allows us to, like I said, use fewer setups, reducing setup times and costs. So it just makes us a lot more effective in the market when we're going up against our competitors.